Hello and welcome. Consumer Portfolio Services, ticker symbol CPSS, is under my radar and I want to buy 200 shares. But I want your opinion if I should buy more than 200 shares or find a different investment opportunity. Let me tell you what I like and don't like about this stock. I like that the revenue in 2022 is growing after 5 years of decline, and in my opinion, 2023 revenue will continue to grow. I like that the free cash flow is growing in 2022 after a decline in 2021, and in my opinion, 2023 free cash flow will continue to grow just like the revenue. And the thing that I'm really excited about is the return on investment ratio. It's 99%, because in my opinion, the forecasted free cash flow per share in 2023 is $9.70, and the stock price is $9.81. And for this specific reason, I want to buy 200 shares. Now let me tell you what I don't like about this stock. The revenue was in decline from 2017 to 2021, but after 2021 it's growing, so I can live with that decline in these years. I don't like that in the third quarter report of 2023, the interest expense almost doubled, but the revenue didn't double. And the net income is almost half what it was in 2022. In my opinion, this by itself is a concerning matter in the next couple of years. The debt is 81% of total assets, which is something very concerning and possibly slows future growth. But remember, this company finances new and used cars sold in franchise automobile dealerships, so in some way they function like a bank in terms of borrowing funds and then lending it to consumers who are buying automobiles from dealerships. So if you ask me, I can live with this risk because the return on investment is very high. I don't like that so far in 2023, the company increased the outstanding shares by 2.85%, while in 2021 and 2022, they reduced the outstanding shares by about 10%. So what's the policy? Are you buying back or issuing more? I can't tell. I don't like that it's not a dividend company and not planning to distribute any dividends in the near future. And with that, we get to the end of this analysis. Please leave a comment letting me know if I should buy more than 200 shares or find a different investment opportunity. And if you are still watching, thank you so much and see you in another video.